Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Sensei Vegan. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be real good. It's gonna be off the hook, baby. What is on the menu is a beverage. We're gonna make something to drink. So thanks for joining me. Now let's get with these ingredients. Walk this way. Walk this way. Okay. Now, I don't know what this thing is called. I said I want to do something with some pineapples, so that is exactly what we're going to do. We're going to make us a little pineapple drink with a little bit of an island feel to it, okay? And we're going to keep this under 21, all right? We're going to keep it under 21. If you want to take and add something stronger, that is entirely up to you, but I'm keeping this thing for the kiddies so everyone can get a nice taste of this beverage, okay? So here we go. And remember, this isn't rocket science. This is not etched in stone. You use what you want to use, okay? But you're definitely going to need a pineapple, all right? That's one thing. There is no getting around that. Get your lazy butt a pineapple, okay? Or two. All right, so I have some of this berry medley that I had left over, so I'm going to use this. And in that berry medley is whole strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. And I have some mango, a little bit of peaches, and yeah, that's it, because I had another little bag that was left over, so I wanted to just use this stuff up, okay? Then I have some peach halves here. Definitely want some of this stuff. Again, you use what you want, but I love peaches. Some coconut beverage. Now, you can use coconut water. I didn't have any coconut water, so what am I supposed to do? I have nowhere else to go. I have nowhere else to go. Anyway, I don't have any coconut water, so I'm using coconut beverage, okay? And you need, sorry for turning my back, you need a pineapple. Now, out of these two pineapples, you can see right here. Now, this one, the stem's a little greener on it. Okay, fine. This one's a little brown, but I'm gonna go by smell, okay? Woo! This one is ready to go, baby. It smells nice and sweet. I'm going to let this one sit for a couple more days. Okay? I'm going to set this off to the side. And you're going to need a pineapple cutter, pineapple core. Okay? I've never used this thing. I'm not even going to tell you which one it is because it doesn't matter. I'm not getting paid by this company. So, today I'm not going to say who it is. So, I'm just going to put it off to the side. And I'm going to give it a quick wash. This is what it looks like. It cores the pineapple. The handle comes off. And then a core goes up. Pop the handle off. Biggity bam. Who's the man? All right. I am. Hey, I made a rhyme. Okay, so let me wash this off. Woo! The thing is sharp too. Be careful. Messing around with this stuff. You don't want to cut yourself. All right, so that's that. It's nice and clean. And you definitely need a blender. I forgot about the blender. Use whatever blender you have. This is a Farberware. I know everyone else is running around with these. You gotta get a Vitamix. You got to get yourself a Vitamix. It's the best one. Well, you buy me one. I don't have $400 to spend on the Vitamix. I would love to get me a Vitamix, but I don't have that type of cash right now to run around to grab me. Actually, I could get a Vitamix, but that's a lot of money to spend on a blender. It really, really is. Maybe next year I'll get me a Vitamix, but for right now, this Farberware is just fine. Okay? And I get no kickbacks again from Farberware or Vitamix. Now, if they want to sponsor me, they're more than welcome. Especially Farberware, because I use this effing blender in all my videos. Okay, so let's get started now. First thing is, this is going to be special because we're actually going to use this pineapple to serve our drink in, okay? So, be very careful. I hope this works because this is the first time I ever tried this. I keep telling people, a lot of stuff I try is right on camera for the first time. So, if I F this up, I'm Fing it up and we're going to make it work. Okay, so I'm going to cut some of this stem off. Let's see, right about here. Actually, no, I'm going to trim this down even further. I know as much as I can. There we go. That's better. We don't need that on there. Okay. Rinse off your knife. First thing we're going to do, we're going to cut the pineapple. We're going to cut this top off. So we're going to cut it right about here. That is good. Reason I cut it down, I just want to make sure when I stick the core on that it goes directly down into the pineapple. And I'm actually going to cut some more pineapple out of here. But I don't want it to go off to the sides. You understand? Because this thing, the way it cuts, from what I might understand, just looking at it, is if you go crooked, it's going to come out the side. And we don't want to come out the side. Alright? So, here we go. This is the moment of truth. I don't want this thing to come out the bottom, so that should be good. Woo! Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm excited. Yeah, baby. I love it. When a plan comes together. Guess what TV show that came out of? Leave it in the comments below. I'm telling y'all, this thing worked like a charm, baby. Woo! Yes! Because I was looking at some of the comments on these pineapple cores, and people were saying, oh, it's hard, it's this and it's that. Bull corn, baby. This thing worked like a charm. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to rinse my blender real quick because it's already clean. So we're going to take the pineapple and we're going to just, because it comes out in spirals, as you guys can see, right? Look at that. It comes out in spirals. So what I'm going to do just to break it loose, I'm just going to cut it like that. Boom. Boom, baby. Boom, shalaka-laka, boom. Okay, so we can actually get a little bit more out of here, I believe. So I'm going to try to go down a little bit deeper. Okay, I got that out. Now, that is perfect. That is perfect. Wow. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, I'm telling y'all. Okay, so rinse the core off. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this thing. You know, I'm gonna have, I can't even know what to do right now. Like I'm like that darn that buzzard on Bugs Bunny. Yeah. Anyway, I have to give this company a shout out. I wasn't going to do it, but I have to because the product actually is amazing. First time I used it, and this thing worked like a charm. It's like a hot knife through butter. It is Magic, I guess it's Kuchen. That's how you say it. I don't think it's Magic Kitchen. It's Magic Kuchen. I'm going to flash it up on the screen. It's M-A-G-I-K-U-C-H-E-N. Hopefully I pronounced that. If I butchered it, well, you know what? I'm sorry. So, let me see if you guys can get a look at that. This is what it looks like. But, yeah, this thing worked really, really well. So, kudos out to this company. And, I'm like really excited. It's weird how I get excited over like kitchen appliances and stuff. That's crazy, man. But anyway, it's a pain in the butt to clean. I will tell you all that. But okay, so that's going back in the box like that. We'll set that there. Now we have our pineapple. It's all set, as you can see right here. And this is what the pineapple looks like on the inside. I'm going to dump the juice in there. But if you guys can see that, ladies, gentlemen, kids, everybody, it's cored out. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to take this core and just cut it. Be very careful with this part. Okay. So it's completely hollow on the inside. All right. This is going to be so much fun, so easy. So now, our pineapple's all set. Let's slide that here. We're going to add some peaches. Just add like a few peaches. Some of this peach juice. Add as much as you like, a little as you like, it's up to you. You're going to add some of this fruit medley. Actually, I'm just going to add it all. That's simple, that easy. Bring the blender in. Pop this up here. Now, I'm going to add a touch of this coconut beverage. This will just cream it up a little bit. Okay, awesome, more than enough. I'm going to add a touch of water. Again, coconut water would be the best. I said this about 1,000,000 times, but I don't have any. So this is what we have to use. Perfecto. I feel like a total jack. Finish the rest. Here's the lid. I'm looking for it. Plug this in. And also, we're going to need 2 stay rolls, okay? Yes, and I said a stay roll. All right, we're all set. But blending can be a little bit boring. So DJ, can I get some blending music, please? That is it, baby. It is all done. It is all done. So now, unplug your blender. Take your pineapple. Put it right there. Set your stay rolls off to the side. And you take this wonderful, delicious liquid, this beverage, and you pour it into the pineapple. Yeah! Who would not like to have some of this right now? Right now. Look at that. Okay. Then, to finish it off, you put your pineapple on there, back on top. Now, you can take and put a little umbrella if you want to, but I'm not going through all that trouble because I'm going to drink mine now. And what we're going to do, we're just going to take and slide the pineapple like that. Take one of these stay rolls. Dip it down in here like this. Boom. Now, this is what I'm talking about right here. This is the part of the show that I love best. But for all you rookies, noob jacks, and noobs, if y'all don't know what time it is, it's taste test time. 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 Let's rock and freaking roll, baby, on this pineapple drink. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Take this off. Woo! You know what? No joke. This is delicious. Mix and match. You have enough to serve me. I'll drink this whole thing. I'll drink all this and all this. But you could definitely, 4 people, maybe 5 people, could drink out of that. Here's the final product. I'm telling you, man, this thing was so simple to make. This is a showstopper. This is a crowd pleaser. You know, what gets better than that? A pineapple drink served in a pineapple. I'm telling you, man, this is how we do it, Sensei vegan style. Thank you for joining me. Again, boom, sub to the channel. It was that easy, that simple. We did it, what? Sensei vegan style. Hey, sub to the channel. I'm telling you, I got videos coming out every week dealing with every type of subject matter, and I enjoy sharing my life with you. Again, I'm Sensei Vegan, thanking each and every one of y'all for joining me. Sub to the channel. Hello. Good night. Good night. It's time to go. I know y'all want some, but you got to get your own. If you're into health, fitness, bikes, cars, I'm talking living life to the fullest, living life on the edge every day, just doing what you want to do. This channel is for you. Subscribe today.